right, this is sign up. It's division of decimals. Okay, so if we divide decimals, and let's take one like t. Okay, we have 2.96 divided by negative 0.8, or 2 96/100ths divided by negative 8/10. Okay, one of the things I like to do always when I'm dividing, believe it or not, you might not like it, but I like to look at it in fraction form. Fractions and decimals? Are you kidding, Ms. B? Negative 0.8. The first thing I'll do again is see if I'm dividing a positive number by a negative number. Is my result going to be positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. So I'm just going to say, okay, my result's going to be negative, and now I'm not going to play with positives or negatives anymore. When I have this divisor downstairs, that's the number that's going to go on the outside of my division sign. So 0.8 goes into 2 96/100ths. All right? What did we learn? What have we always learned about dividing decimals? Yeah.
You have to move the decimal.
You have to move the decimal. And if you move it on the outside, you're going to move it on the inside. But what are you doing? If you're moving a decimal, if you're turning the number 8/10 into 8, what did you really have to do? Yeah.
Make it a whole number.
You had to make it a whole number. And how did you do that? You multiplied by 10. So if you multiply 8/10 by 10, you have to multiply 2 96/100ths by 10. It's just like an equation. If you multiply one side by 10, you're going to multiply the other side by 10, right? Or what you're doing is you're multiplying the fraction by a big one. Correct?
Correct.
So what we're going to have here is 8 into 29 6/10. All we did was multiply by 1. So have we changed the value? No. But by doing it this way, we have the same value, but now we don't have a decimal on the outside of our division sign. How many 8s in 29? 3, right? 3, and that's 24. How many left over?
5.
5. Bring your decimal sign up, and then ignore it. Bring the 6 down. How many 8s in 56?
7.
7? Okay. Exactly. And we decided that our answer was negative before we even started talking about division. Are we in good shape?
Yes.
Does this now make more sense? Why we move the decimal sign? Does that make more sense now? Excellent.